So someone sends you a cat picture. Cute, right? No! You open it like a normal person would. And boom, they have everything. Your accounts, your passwords, credit cards, and everything. Here's how you do it. This video is for educational purposes only, and I do not encourage hacking because it's illegal, okay? It's illegal. First of all, you need to create the malware. You can use any programming language to create malware. I'm gonna use Python. I'm gonna build a simple script. Of course, I'm not gonna build a malware for you guys on YouTube. I can't do that. So I'm gonna make a simple script that creates a text file and writes hacked in it. Of course, you can create a malicious script, but that will be illegal if you don't have permission to do so. Then you need to transfer the script to a .exe file. How do you do that, you say? In Python, you install the byinstaller module by you typing pip install byinstaller and run this command in your terminal. Then you add the icon to the exe, which is gonna be the cute little cat. Melvin! His name is Melvin! Then you get WinRAR, you create an SFX archive, then you go to advanced setup and add the things which will run. In our case, they are image.jpg, which is the Melvin cat picture, and by.exe, which is our script. Now we have the image and the script in one executable. But when you look at it, it's a .exe file. You don't expect someone to open it when they see it, right? We're gonna need to spoof the file extension. How can you do that, you may ask? We can use the .scr extension, which is the extension for Windows screensaver. It can run exe. But if I see a .scr file, I simply won't open it. I don't trust it. We can use a trick right here. We can write the word PNG backwards like this, GNB. And before this will be written before the dot. Then we add the special RLO Unicode character, which reverses the things that come after. So when GNB is reversed, it's gonna be PNG. And voila, now we have a cute cat picture to send to anyone as a PNG. And they will open it. It's a cute cat picture. Why won't they open it? Keep in mind that most antiviruses can detect this, but it's a good first malware project, so congratulations. Subscribe or else.